Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to copy the link of any Pinterest pin, updated for 2025. Whether you want to share your favorite ideas with friends, save inspiration for later, or post a pin on your blog, these simple steps will have you copying links in seconds. First, open up the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your saved pins. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards and pins are organized. Next, look for the section labeled Pins. Tap on it to see a full list of all the pins you've saved. Scroll through your collection and find the pin you want to share or save. Once you spot it, give it a tap to open it up in full view. Now, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the Pins page. This icon is your gateway to more options. Tap on the three dots and a menu will pop up with several choices. From the menu, select Copy Link. As soon as you tap this option, Pinterest will automatically copy the direct link to your selected pin. You'll usually see a quick notification confirming that the link has been copied to your clipboard. That's all there is to it. Now you can paste the link wherever you want. Send it in a message, drop it in an email, or share it on your favorite social media platform. It's a quick and hassle-free way to spread inspiration and keep your favorite ideas handy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.